Come on, you jackwagon! Hey! Jackwagon! Hear that? It's a small rodent approaching. You have low intelligence! Josh, you have low intelligence! Well. Well, it got quiet. Come on, you jackwagon! What? Where'd he go? Ah, shit. Josh! Where'd he go? Shit. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's all fun. Damn. Hey, Josh! Come on!
It's cold and my feet are burning.
Come here! Towards the light!
Where's the light? I found light. My feet. That was fun.
We have coyotes. Oh man, I got an ass mark from
I
these
want to play with coyotes.
coyotes bite us.
We should go play with them. We should go play with them. Jackass edition. Uncut. Coyote.
Coyote edition, we'll find some and then we'll keep you up to date. Goodbye.